I'm Nick the Awesome Dude, and today I modified this Nerf gun. Well, it's technically not a Nerf gun. It's technically an X-Shot. Still gonna have a Nerf bullet in it. Alright, now let's put this in. So we're gonna be testing this on some water bottles, and this is extremely powerful. We need to be cautious of where we're going. So yeah. Okay, so we have the water bottle right here. And yeah, we're gonna switch cameras and I'm going to shoot it. So yeah. Here we go. Loaded. 3, 2, 1, clear. Oh my God. Holy crap. Okay, hold on. Let's get the camera. Holy crap. Oh my God, where is it? Here's the bullet. Weird. Oh my God. It's all the way over here. Look at that. It
Ew.
blew a hole right through the thing.
Oh wait, hold on. Is that loaded?
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me see that.